Vivo's new smartphone Vivo V40 launching soon in India. So today in this video we will talk about its specs. First of all, let's start with its design. It has got a beautiful design at the curve at the back side. It looks so beautiful and so premium. The design of Vivo is always changed. Is last year it is changed. This time also the design is very lovely. I love this personally. Let's talk about the display. It has got a 6.78-inch Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display with 4500 nits peak brightness. It is a curved display which is amazing, and it has got triple rear camera setup at the back side. With a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and 50 megapixel JIS OIS main camera, Sony IMX921 sensor, and 50 megapixel telephoto portrait camera, Sony IMX816 sensor. And in selfie it has got 50 megapixel JIS group selfie camera. It is amazing. The camera of Vivo is always amazing, and the battery is 6000 mAh with 80 watt fast charging. And it has got Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which is capable processor in this price range. And the price of this phone will be 8 plus 256GB, the best variant. The Chinese yuan 2499, which is approx 29k in India, but is I think it will launch under 35k price range. And Vivo has teased their leaks also, and the launch will be at August, I think so. Thank you guys for watching. See you in next video.